And for the final major dollar pairs, we've got USD Swiss, USD Yen, and USD CAD. Starting off with USD Swiss on the daily, we can see we've had our break of structure, and this is our current swing range. We liquidated this high here before seeing this internal trend break, creating areas of supply that were in control and pushing price in towards the downside. However, we then had a break of this supply zone, and we now currently have demand in control. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see we had our most recent break of structure in towards the upside here, and this is our current swing range. We were speaking about yesterday that this is a liquidity target, at least for the longs, and if you're bearish on USD Swiss, you can be starting to target the weak swing low. I think if this low gets taken, that'll be a clear sign that we're heading down, because it did liquidate something to its left. If we zoom in a little bit on the price action that we're seeing, we have this area of supply, this area of supply, and now this area of supply that's in control. And from the most recent one, I will be happy to look for a short position. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had a break of structure in towards the upside, swing low, swing high. We've had this internal followed by another internal. So if we see now a retracement to take out this liquidity, see that confirmation, I'm happy to short back down. Moving on to USD Yen, not too much to talk about. We're trading within this supply zone, which is strong because it liquidated something. We're at high risk of an intervention, and therefore I'm just not touching it. I am debating whether to set an entry at the highs with my stop loss at the 162 level, anticipating that intervention, but it is more of a gamble and just based on fundamentals. So if we go on to USD CAD, we can see we've had our daily break of structure in towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. We liquidated this high, which is a major high within the impulse, but we failed to put in a new lower low before switching back bullish with another internal break of structure. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, this move higher made sense from a complete technical perspective, as we were currently swing bullish. We had the initial break over here, and now since then we've had another break of structure towards the upside. So this is my current swing range. Now I do favor some short-term downside to take out some of this liquidity. However, I think CAD's fairly weak at the moment because of oil prices coming down, and the USD might also see some weakness because of the peace deal. So it's just not a pair that I feel like there's much better options.